It's your boy Young Fun 99XX, and today I got a crazy one for y'all today, you know? Went to Goodwill, got some belts, got some fabric, so I guess we're just doing a book bag. We're doing a book bag from scratch, and I made this little video, this little extra video to let y'all know I'm doing a giveaway right now. And to enter the giveaway, you can either hit the link in the description or go to one of my socials here. It'll also be in the link in those descriptions. But basically, all you wanna do is click that link, do as many tasks as possible, because the more tasks you do, the more entries you get. And the giveaway is until December 8th, Thursday, December 8th. The best of luck to you. Let's get into this book bag. All right, first things first, we're just cutting the pieces. That's the bottom piece. This is the front and back panels. These are gonna be our side pieces. Now these are our straps. And these are our pockets. Freestyle it, but here it is. We got the front panel, back panel, bottom, left, right, pocket, straps. So let's get into it. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just interface all the parts I need sturdy, and that's gonna be the bottom, back, and the pockets. All right, and to interface it, you basically put the sticky side down to the side you aren't gonna see, and then hit it with as much steam as you possibly can. But make sure you have something to kind of cover it with if you have a delicate fabric. And yeah, those are just those other pieces, the bottom and pockets. Cut the interface off, and then cut all the excess off. And there you go. That's how you interface your pieces up. Make sure you steam them real good. I got everything interfaced, and now there's some patterns that I need to like double up and turn inside out. So I'm gonna do that and assemble my pocket and then sew that on to the front panel. So this is me sewing that zipper on. Cutting it open and then sewing those edges back. And then sewing the whole pocket up, flipping it inside out, and top stitching it. And this is me doing the front panel, realizing I did it wrong, and then doing it the right way. Flip that, top stitch that, and here's that back piece. Flip that, top stitch that, and now we can start assembling it. I got all the pieces I need doubled up and folded inside out. Now I'm just gonna attach all the side pieces to the bottom piece, or after I attach the pocket to the front piece. Stitching that pocket down just on the side so I can use it as two pockets. And that's me stitching the side on to the back piece and top stitching that. And now we're gonna deal with the straps. All right, now I've got my side panels onto the back, and I pin my straps up 1 inch from the edge, just so I can go ahead and put my back panel, my bottom panel on, and sew the straps down. All right, you heard me there, sewing those straps down to the bottom panel. And now I'm just sewing those side pieces to the bottom as well. Might have a difficult time, but I got a Juki so I can just stitch over it. You might have to hand stitch it if the corner's too tight. Just do what you can to get them down. So it's getting late, and I don't know if y'all can really see because it's kind of dark in here, but this is where I'm at now. This is the back panel with the straps in there. This is that bottom flap is gonna sit on. And these are the side panels. Now I just really gotta sew this front face on. Once I sew the front face on, I'm gonna attempt to fold down these edges, put the strap all the way through the circle. Really, that'll be it. Oh yeah, once I find a way to get those top straps on, the other half of these. This is sewing the front panel to the sides and the bottom. And I went ahead and sewed all the way around, cut it to even all out, and just hem the top. Big enough for me to put my string through, of course. And this is me throwing on the straps on the front. I wanted it to be like an old school, you know, flimsy bag, archive vibes. All right, I got to a good stopping point on the bag. Tomorrow, all I really have to do is throw a string up top, show y'all how it looks. What's good with y'all? It's day 2. I'm sitting here watching this Destroy Lonely interview. Goddamn, all I really gotta do is throw the string in the bag, and that's it. So let me go get a string. All right, so I got a string out of my hamper, and boy, oh boy, oh my God, I should have just sewed the string down while the hem was still undone, because this thing was just so thick. You'll see whenever I get to the back panel, the thickest panel, I literally had to move it like a centimeter by centimeter right here. So maybe sew that string under while you still have it unhemmed. That's pretty much it right there, that's the bag. All right, now that I got the string through, I'm just gonna go ahead and tack the straps down on the front, right under where the string is. I forgot to record that part, but look at this. I had to bring y'all a little edit, throw a little fit on, because this bag was hard. I might have to do another giveaway for this. I don't know. Did y'all see it? The little duffel, drawstring, zip up pocket, extra pocket behind the zip up pocket. I'm not playing with them. Put your water bottle, your iPad, whatever in there. Maybe put your iPad on the inside. You don't want nobody to slime you out. Yeah, I just had to come out here to the pool, give y'all some looks, man. Thank y'all for making it to the end. Make sure y'all really go into that giveaway for real, bro. Yo, y'all are really maniacs for making it to the end, but make sure y'all go into that giveaway because there's only like 13 entries. Crazy high chance of winning. Yeah, you know, quick little book bag, little easy vibe, you know, straight from scratch to on your back. Thank y'all for watching. Seriously, you can get fashion content from anyone, so I appreciate y'all. And remember the past because that's who made you the person you are today.